Tired of juggling multiple apps and rewards programs? What if your mobile plan and your credit card could work together, seamlessly, to put more money back in your pocket? That's exactly what Rogers Bank is doing with its digital banking experience. Rogers Bank isn't just another financial institution. It's an integrated ecosystem built to give Rogers, Fido, and Shaw customers a unique edge. The key features of their digital banking are all about synergy. First, there's the Rogers Redemption Bonus. This is a game changer. While you earn a great cashback rate on every purchase, you get a 1.5x bonus on that cashback when you redeem it for Rogers, Fido, or Shaw products. It's a simple, smart way to save on your monthly bill, your next phone, or new accessories, and it's all managed directly in the app. Then there's the exclusive Roam Like Home benefit. If you're a Rogers mobile customer with a Rogers Bank credit card, you can get up to 5 free Roam Like Home days every year. You can track your usage and check your remaining days right in the Rogers Bank app. No more guessing or digging through your mobile bill. It's a perfect example of how the bank and the telecom company work together to deliver real value. And finally, the app itself. The Rogers Bank app is designed for complete control. You can easily lock and unlock your card, set up custom alerts for security and payments, and view your statements and account activity in real time. It's a clean, intuitive interface that puts you in the driver's seat of your finances. These aren't just standard banking features. They are a direct benefit of being a connected customer, creating a banking experience that is truly unique to the Rogers ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.